welcome back to the Big Money Eric YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to put dirt bike rims and tires on your truck. This honestly, this is not planning to happen. I was coming through and I was turning, and because in the last video, it seemed to blew the tires. So yeah, we'll get this thing moved and taken care of, and then we'll go from there. And yeah, don't worry, we'll be coming out with another video to show how to be fixing stuff like this. So I'm gonna get this moved, and then we'll go from there and continue on with the video. How is that holding? Barely. Barely holding. You recording?
Yeah.
Dude, this one actually tightened up good. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
More solid now.
Bro, that's the whole truck, dude. Hey, now all we gotta do is fill them up. That one, I don't think that one will hold air. This one will. Babe, did you see the intro?
No. It looks so funny.
Dude, I did something. When I hit the connects, I f***ed the lights up. This light's stuck. That's the lights off. Are they off?
They're off.
They're off now? Alright, bet. No, they're on. Look. The switch is off, but the lights are on. Look. Alright, so we're on day 2 of our adventure. Went to Blaine's. Got 11 quarts of trans fluid. So hopefully, we'll put it in here and hopefully she'll drive. I don't know, but we'll see. That's bone dry. We already knew that.
Maybe it's
Wait,
full.
Is it full? They lied to me online, bro. They said it took 12
It's not
quarts.
leaking though.
Look, it will. Watch.
Oh god. It's all gonna smoke anyways.
It says do not fill above the fill line.
It's moving. Moving. You're good. We just gotta get these front tires in.
Yep.
Let me see the other side. I don't know how the other side looks. Oh.
Pop off again?
Almost, I think. It's the plate. You see how the plate is shifting out?
Yeah, the plate's kicked. We successfully did it.
I'm a rolling stone. They say I'll never be on, now the money long, now they on. But they only love you when you dead and gone. They hated on me, then a nigga wrong, now they clown, man. C'est la vie, I'm with a bad bitch from Tel Aviv. Hey, I got money on me. C'est la vie, c'est la vie. Look, they love you when you dead and gone, when you long gone. Niggas lie, say they love you long, that's dead wrong. When I was all alone, trying to get down, niggas never picked up the phone. When I SRT. Feeling like I'm OJ Mayo, ho, I'm at your league. He was sweating hoes that I had up on their knees. When your money like Floyd, who give a fuck if you can read? Brand new whip, got no keys, nigga, yes, indeed. Used to stay up all night searching jobs on Indeed. Praying one day blowjobs be the only job I need. I'm a rolling stone. They say I'll never be on, now the money long, now they on. Man, they only love you when you dead and gone.
Stay tuned for the next one. Catch you guys later.
Tel Aviv, I'm with a bad bitch from Tel Aviv. Hey, I got money on me. Tel Aviv.